this slide is about my favorite topic, money. And the reason why DIAWAY created the Advanced Storage webinar is because the SDS market is booming and going to reach 86 billion by 2023. While there can be some fluctuation with pandemics and such, the trend is obvious and SDS market will be huge. The data growth is exponential and like never before.
I work for Western Digital, which is a technology company that has acquired many other companies over the year. That's why we can rightfully say, as shown in this picture, we invented the hard disk drive in 1956. We invented the first disk drive array in 1976. And many more things on this page, which were either industry firsts or very relevant contributions to the technological progress of the industry, be it the perpendicular recording or the helium-filled drives in 2013, be it 3D NAND technology to make NAND reliable, of very high density and enduring, or the energy-assisted recording technology, MAMR or microwave-assisted magnetic recording in 2017.
Acronis hired DIAWAY, and we created sophisticated financial model that measures the total cost of ownership with one major metric. The major metric is usable terabyte cost. And surprise, it turns out that cheaper hardware has many hidden costs for maintenance, low reliability, outages that leads to a much higher cost of ownership. Acronis' goal was to make the terabyte cost as low as possible. And DIAWAY dropped down the terabyte cost by 50%.